Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can cancel EA Play membership. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open EA website, and you need to open this website from here, or you can open from here as well. So I'm going to open EA Play. So once you are on this website, so on the top right you can see join now, and here you can see person icon. You simply need to click on that and click on sign in. So first step you simply need to sign in into your account. So I'm going to sign in into my account. So here you can see that I sign in. Then you simply need to click on the person and click on account settings. So once you are on your account settings, you simply need to click on payment methods. So once you are here, so you simply need to click on send security code, and here you need to add the code from the Gmail. So let me add the code from my Gmail. Click on that, and here I receive a code. So you simply need to copy that code and paste that here and click on submit. So let me copy again from here, paste that code here, click on submit. So here you can see that I do not add any payment method, but let's suppose you already add a payment method and you have a subscription. So here you can find an option to cancel subscription. So you simply need to click on that and your payment will be cancelled. So this is the process by which you can cancel EA Play membership. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.